Okay. I'm on my way to get a haircut from Neville. I have been hyping myself up for it for a few months now. I saw a photograph. I don't know if I should even show you. Most insane haircut by far, because I've trashed it so many times before. But it's a very, very hard haircut to pull off. But I do think that as the hair person, as the hair guru, I shouldn't judge things before I try them. And so in the name of trying new things and also dumping this old persona that I have at the moment, I'm gonna go try it, I'm gonna get it and see if I can make it work. I'm super late though. We have to go grab the most insane haircut ever. Let's go! The idea is that I go for this haircut today. I think it's cool.
Yeah, I love it. I did one on Thursday. I did. Problem is shorter layers. Okay, layers you will take over. I need to really slice into it and make it look very, very textured.
I'll let you get creative with it. And then the idea is that the minute I don't like it,
you go short.
I go short.
I know, I thought so. You just said
and then after that, I go even shorter.
Jina ġa nizziltom, issa jgħat nistana ċekawat għamil xara Stella li
Lengthwise, it would probably remain.
No, keep the length. I think I will just check up at the edges. I don't think so. I will touch them, and then what I do is I concave it up, and you just go from short to long.
Okie dokie.
I did the hair, she came for a haircut. You're exposed, mother.
Oh, fun!
I cut it for her. First I cut it along a bobbish. And then she said it's too long, and then I have to cut it back again short.
She always said like, alright, that's why I didn't know that she actually...
How you don't cut her hair?
I don't know, I think she usually asks me always just to do her hair if she has an event.
You got very good hair to cut.
It's so nice! I'm happy to hear she wants to.
I'm very impressed with Chris Stapleton. He used to come to the salon for his hair.
So how come you remember him?
I remember him because he's very good looking.
Yes.
And I remember my friend Gaban used to cut his hair. We were next to each other, we used to have a top banter, so he always talked to us.
That bottle is so nice.
Yes, if you want, I give you one.
No, I've got two.
You got?
Yes. He sent me a massive box last time.
From who? From
From
I love their foil, eh?
I love them. They send me, I think, 4 different colors, and I'm still on my first box. I think there's 500 in each box. I used to work at the salon. My job was to cut it all the time with the rulers and then just folding it over and over and over.
No, but it looks like the most Shakespeare she did ever.
Holy!
Ashkira was they don't look. Let me brush you, I'm gonna sweep up and I wash it for you again and then we'll put the styling product and we leave it dry under the climate zone with the
Like it.
So
I receive most, or like hairdressers receive most, they want to go from black to white in a day. So I want to see how positive, but I don't care if I damage my hair. I don't care. So
the problem it is, you know, from black, you're not gonna go white. You're gonna go maybe.
No, but that's why I bleach it like twice.
Twice.
3 times in a day.
But I think this last couple of times your hair condition was amazing, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know what I do, but I keep it always. What do you do to it?
I think it was very good.
Oh my god!
But we always wait almost.
So far I know what you're thinking. It doesn't look that great yet. Kind of looks like a really cheap rendition of Zendaya. Or the fail in Friends when Phoebe cuts Monica's hair and okay. Before you leave such a comment down below because you're unhappy with how I look so far, I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I want to try because I'm determined to make this work because this is my hair now. Yeah, it's all about how you make it work and this outfit is one of them. Let's go! First thing I need to do is to take off my current makeup because it got smudged and I also want to see what it looks like when I'm not wearing makeup. Not great so far. Yeah, I will make it work. Before makeup, you always need a good base. I'm using my custom skincare from Yours. I have these earrings that I think will really start to pull the look together and will hopefully serve as inspiration. Won't you keep my old scarf from the very first week? I have a few ideas. Primer first. Foundation. Setting spray. This bad boy. Not entirely sure what I feel like for eyebrows, so we're just playing with them for now. I want to do face next before I jump into eyes because I like doing that. Haven't worn bronzer or contouring in a while, but I feel like this look dictates it. So far, I look outdated. I feel like the brows should be perfected. Anastasia once again. I can't tell if I love it or hate it, but it's staying. I feel like lips should come next. I will try it. Now it's time to get creative with the eyeliner because I think that's what's going to pull it together. Should I drag out the blue? This entire look is a bit like alternative, so why not? Really hope I don't mess this up. I thought I liked the lenses, but I don't think they're working. Does it match our vibe? Does it match our aesthetic? Since we're changing persona completely, I feel like it's appropriate to fully immerse into our persona. I think for the challenging haircut that it is, it looks sexy. I also feel like a fully different person, but I think that's a given. I love it. I love it. so much. And I'm so happy that I went for it. I'm not even gonna lie. Was considerably longer. In the end, we decided to go kind of shorter, kind of more of a mullet, wolf cut type thing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rock this for a little while. It completely shifted how I kind of look at myself. Before, I felt like I was kind of docile, gentle, safe in her look. This one completely threw me out of my comfort box, out of my comfort zone, and into a whole new realm of I don't give a rat's ass. I'm going to look how I want to look. This is my challenging, most insane haircut ever, and I'm absolutely living for it. I love you guys, as always. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye. Live your life, babies. Live it! Yes!